So this is how to download My Boo Town. So if you want My Boo Town game, what you have to do is to just come to your phone menu and like this, then you scroll to search for Google Play Store. If you are using an iOS device, just try to search for your App Store. Then after that, tap on it to open it. When you get into your App Store or your Play Store, tap on the search bar over here and try to search for My Boo Town. Then after that, tap on the search or enter bar. Then after that, wait, and you're going to see that it's loading. So as you can see, this is My Boo Town City game. So My Boo Town City Builder game. So tap on install if you want to download it. After that, you're going to see it pending, so you have to wait for it to start loading. And as you can see, it has started with the downloading. So it's going to start from 0 to 100%, and from that you're going to see it downloaded and it will start installing. So let's wait whilst it's on 3. So as you can see, it has finished with the downloading. It's around 100% and now installing. So let's wait whilst it is installing. So we are going to get this on our mobile phone just in a few minutes. So let's wait for it to finish with the installation. So as you can see over here, we have done with the installation or the downloading of it. You can tap on open play to play it. So let's tap on it and you're going to see how it's going to work. So that's how to download this mobile app. So thank you very much for watching this video. See you in my next video.